So what do we need to do? Well, first of all, we need to grab our previous node and then we want to insert it. That again would be an optional, so we want to guard let against it. So previous node at index -1, because we are inserting at that particular index. We want this value to be at that index. So the previous would be index -1. Else we are just going to return nil. In many cases, it's the index. It could be anything. It could be a -10 or whatever. Want to make sure that you are returning nil right over here. And then we are just going to return insert. So we are just going to insert value, not at, but after value. And after our previous. Great. This seems really nice, but there are some edge cases. Now, first of all, we want to make sure that the indexes are great. So guard index is greater than or equals 0, and index is less than or equals our count. Else, again, we are going to return nil. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's in that particular range. Now, what happens if the index is 0? Well, basically then we want to push at that value. So we want to guard against that too. Index should not be 0 for the other stuff to go through, so a 0. Else it's just going to return a push, so return push with a value. And the same goes for when the index is equals to the whole count. So we are just going to append, basically, because we want to insert a value after the tail, so after the last value. Node, sorry. Guard index is equals, so it's not equals, it's a guard statement, not equals our count, else. And here we are going to return append our value. Great. So that's how we insert.